Hi everybody! Do you want to learn how to multiply a number by 9 in a fun, easy way? Okay, look at your hands. Now, you have to number your fingers starting from left like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till 9 and 10. Now, let us say you want to multiply the number 5 with 9. So if you want to multiply number 5 with 9, you see how many fingers do you have to the left of 5? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write down 4. And then you see how many fingers do you have to the right of 5? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write 5 next to 4. So 45 is the right answer. 5 multiplied by 9 is 45. Let's try another one. Let's say you want to multiply 7 with 9. So you see how many fingers to the left of 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you write 6. How many fingers to the right of 7? 1, 2, 3. So 63 is the right answer for 7 times 9. Okay, let's try one more. We'll do 4 times 9. So 4 times 9. How many fingers to the left of 4? 1, 2, 3. And how many fingers to the right of 4? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 36 is 4 times 9. Interesting, isn't it? Stay tuned for more such interesting tricks. Bye.